Get these products and say bye-bye to acne on your face forever. My heart is filled with joy today because there is nothing that gives me the most fulfillment than giving you a final and sure solution to your skin issues. Today, I'm going to be introducing you to a sure product, just one product that is going to dry up all the acne you have on your face or on your body. In fact, it is going to roast them up. See, I want to assure you something. After watching this video, the only reason why you are still going to be having acne problems, pimple problems, is one, you don't get this product, or two, you cannot afford it. It is not super expensive and it is available. I'm going to be dropping links in the description box where you can order this from for people in the US, for people in Canada, and for people in Nigeria. So I'm going to be leaving three links in the description box. And note, this video is not sponsored. This is just me trying to help you with your skin issues. This product is 100% legit and it is going to dry up those pimples, those acne on your face. Just like I said, this video is not sponsored. The only way you can help me in sponsoring this video is by liking this video and sharing this video to somebody, to your social handles. So because this video is going to help you. This is not a popular product, but this is a product that works. I suffered severe acute acne for 3 years. 3 whole years I had constant acne. My whole face was destroyed, and it was one woman that recommended a product that helped me, just like I'm recommending this product to you to try out. She called me, she saw me on the way, and she stopped me and recommended the product for me. I got it, and overnight my acne started going, and that was the end of acne in my life. So that is why I'm bringing you this video with all seriousness today. I'm not laughing like my usual self because I just want to sound very serious. So you're going to know that this is a product that works, and this is a video that is going to help you with that acne situation. No matter how severe, whether cystic acne, hormonal acne, however it is, just get this product. Okay, but please listen to this video, watch this video very carefully. Either now and when you get the product, you need to know how to use this particular product. It is very important. The moisturizer you're going to pair with it, the soap you're going to use, because this is a very active product, so you need to know how to use it. Okay, so yes, the name of the product is acne.org. This is the picture. It comes in different sizes. It has 3 sizes. I'm going to put in the pictures as we go in this video. Now, this particular product contains 2.5% benzoyl peroxide. Now, benzoyl peroxide as an ingredient is very, very active. Studies have shown that benzoyl peroxide kills 99% of the bacteria that causes acne within minutes. So this is a very potent product, but this is going to be, this particular brand is different from the random benzoyl peroxide you can just go and buy. Okay, because this one is specially formulated. Like, the person that formulated this brand is a dermatologist. I think he's in the US. So it's like a private, it's not a commercial product. There is a difference between commercial product and a product that a specialized person or a product that a professional made. So that is the case of this particular product, and that is why it works. It is not mass product. So that is why you don't see it in stores, you won't see it in Walmart, you won't see it in any supermarket or anywhere. It is just sold online in specific sites. Okay, so how this product works, let me tell you how it works. Now, when you apply this product, it is drying to the skin. That is how it is going to help to dry out those pimples you have on your face. Days of using this product, you are going to notice that the pimples on your face, all those breakouts on your face, they are going to be roasted. When I say roasted, they are going to be roasted. They are going to be roasted. Okay, so it is going to dry out your skin. So that is why I said you should listen so you know how to use this particular product. So please save this video so you can come back to it when you buy the product, because it's important to know how to use it. Now, it is drying, one, and it is also peeling. Okay, but the peeling is not very serious, but the major thing it does is to dry out your skin. So that is why you are going to be very careful with the products you pair it with. So as you get this particular product, okay, you are going to need to get a new face moisturizer. Depending on the moisturizer you're already using, you need to get a new face moisturizer, you need to get a new face soap. The thing is, when you're on this routine, okay, you are going to need to use everything mild. The only active ingredient you're going to be using is this acne treatment. It both for your morning routine and for your night routine. Okay, don't use anything active, or your vitamin C, or your niacinamide, or your everything. Just keep it and buy a gentle cleanser. Okay, buy a gentle cleanser because benzoyl peroxide is very active, and even though 2.5% of benzoyl peroxide doesn't sound like a lot, this particular brand gogogo, this one is very very concentrated, and like is different from the regular, so it is super active. I'm telling you this from people's experience, from my experience of using this particular product. Okay, it is very active, it's going to dry out your skin. So you are going to get something like simple facial cleanser. Okay, simple facial cleanser and simple moisturizer. Okay, use products like that, or it is either you use the simple brand or you use the CeraVe brand. But a lot of people have seen that the simple brand is more mild on their skin with this product, because if you pair it with any type of moisturizer, it is going to sting your face and it might irritate your face. Okay, now number two, how you wash your face in the morning. Immediately you start this treatment, okay, you need to be very gentle on your face. The point is, if you're having acne, if you're experiencing acne right now, the first thing you should stop doing right now after watching this, before you even go ahead and order the product, is to be gentle with your face. Wash your face like when you let your water do most of the work. Splash water on your face. So instead of using your hands and doing like this, do use this method. Okay, splash water on your face when you're washing your face. Avoid scrubbing your face, avoid putting pressure on your face. It will help, because when you are irritating your face, the acne is going to be increasing. That's just how it works. That was what was happening to me. I didn't know this during my own time. So I was washing my face, I was thinking, when I scrub my face and scrub out all the oils, it will reduce. No, it is going to increase your acne, your pimples. Be gentle on your face. So wash your face not more than 10 seconds. Okay, lather your soap on your hand, lather it very well. Make sure you get a lot of lather. Then gently massage it on your face for 10 seconds and then splash water on your face. Avoid touching your face too much. Avoid it. It is going to help you. And then you can either allow your face to air dry or use a very neat towel that you wash every day. So if you know you can't wash your towel every day for your face, please just allow your face to air dry. Okay, so now when you get the product, you are going to start using the product once a day. Once a day. And when you start, this is the measurement you are going to be using. Like this thumb now, you are going to use your thumb, you are going to use your finger as a measurement for the product. The first week, you are going to use here. So put it here, just like picture I'm placing. You're going to place here. Okay, the first, this is the measurement you're going to be using. Don't use more than this. Don't use more than this. Okay, so put it here and then you apply it on your face every night. After application, make sure you follow up with your moisturizer to limit the amount of drying you are going to experience. You are going to experience dry skin. Let me just tell you, you're going to experience dry skin. But within 1 week, 2 weeks, from the third week, you are going to be surprised at how the results you have gotten so far. Trust me. So the second week, you're going to graduate to the second line on your finger. Okay, you're going to be using it once every day. The third week, you are going to graduate to two and a half of your finger. Then the fourth week, you are going to graduate to your full finger. That is the measurement of using this particular treatment. Okay, just make sure that by the fourth week, you are now using your full finger as the measurement, and don't exceed that and don't use below. This is how it works. This is how you should follow up once every day at night. Okay, and use a mild moisturizer. This one is very important. Use a mild moisturizer, use a mild soap on your face during this regimen. In the morning that you are not using your treatment, just wash your face and use your moisturizer. You can avoid using sunscreens, because some sunscreens also break people out, but people don't know. Sometimes the reason why you're having that acne is the sunscreen you are using. So during this period, just avoid anything that might react or cause you more problem. Wear a hat, wear your face cap, wear your sheets. Just use manual sun protections this period while you are treating your face. Just 3 products. That's all you need for this routine. And in 1 month, you are going to come back to this video and you're going to dash me money. Yes, make sure you do that. Anyways, I was just joking. So this is how you are going to use this product. Another thing is, for some people, when they start the treatment, the acne is going to seem to increase. Now, it is increasing not because the product is not working for you or the product is bad. It is increasing because it is purging your skin. It is purging out all the pores, all the, all those acne pores that are inside your skin that are yet to come out, that would have still resurfaced, would have still come out anyways if you didn't start the treatment. So it is going to purge out everything. So for some people, within the first 3 to 5 days, some people 1 week, they experience skin purging. Okay, but don't worry. If that happens to you, just continue and be faithful with this routine. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. If your acne is not severe, in 1 week your face has cleared. That is how potent this particular treatment is. Okay, so but the only thing I'm going to tell you is please use a mild moisturizer, remove every active, let this product be the only active you are going to be using, and you are going to absolutely love this product. Make sure you always have it. Okay, so when you see pimple on your face, you just put a drop on there, and overnight the pimple is dried up. Even if you don't have acne, like this is a product you can just buy and keep. If you're usually having, some hormonal acne here and there, you just use it and it's going to dry up. Get this product and say bye bye to acne on your face forever. So that is everything I have for you in today's video. If you have any questions, any concerns, or you just want to say thank you to me, let me let's have a conversation in the comment section. I'd love to talk to you all every day, now and then. Let's have communication to the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on our next one.